This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, with your morning hazardous weather briefing for Friday, September 13th of 2013. Well, we do have a couple of hazardous weather issues to be concerned with for the next several days. First off, there is a continued moderate to high swim risk. That is going to be for the Lake Michigan beaches of northwest lower Michigan. That does include Grand Traverse Bay. That will continue through this afternoon for high waves and potential rip currents. Also, frost and freeze conditions for most all of northern Michigan. That's going to be for late tonight and into early Saturday morning. Sensitive vegetation could easily be damaged late tonight. Let's take a look at the current weather map. Well, northern Michigan remains locked in a still gusty northerly flow straight out of Canada. That's out ahead of high pressure that has worked its way into the Dakotas and Minnesota. Meanwhile, all the active weather was associated with a cold front and low pressure system from New England down the Atlantic seaboard. Now, that high pressure does move right across northern Michigan tonight, and that is going to result in clearing skies and light winds, allowing for those temperatures to really plummet to where frost and freezing temperatures are going to be fairly common across the region. In the meantime, we have a cold front that will be moving into Ontario and into North Dakota by Saturday morning, and that front will cross us on Sunday and possibly bringing us a little bit of rain for northern Michigan. But back behind that cold front will be another area of high pressure that drifts across northern Michigan and possibly brings about another period of frost for the area. The focus then turns to low pressure off to the west and a developing warm front that will push into the region. And we see here by Thursday it nears the western Great Lakes region, and we'll see a chance of thunderstorms. But we're going to have a very fall-like day today. And again, frost is expected tonight and probably going to be fairly widespread, especially in those low-lying areas that are in interior sections away from the warmer Great Lakes. Now, we're going to start off a little bit cloudy today, but as we move through the afternoon, increasing amounts of sunshine are going to be out there. It's not going to help the temperatures all that much. The air mass around here is quite chilly, and temperatures are going to mainly be in the middle to upper 50s across the region. Now, recapping those hazards, we already talked about the frost and freeze conditions for tonight and early Saturday morning. With the additional frost, it's also possible Monday night into Tuesday morning. And then we have a chance of thunderstorms for Thursday and Thursday night. And storms are going to be possible for all of northern Michigan for that time frame. And that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 5 o'clock this afternoon. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.